you are constantly posting content of things that I'm completely unaware of and I'm always shocked by. So I think like that's really dope that you take it a step further. You don't just post things that are comedy, but you also give really good nuggets and information.
Yeah, like a lot of people don't really talk about that, and so when they hearing like, oh, you get paid 150, 200,000, you get to work from home, they don't realize what work from home means like in cybersecurity.
Kelly, you know, cybersecurity stocks, some of the top in tech over the last month.
We're taking a look at one of the cybersecurity industry's most popular funds, the Hack ETF. That group of stocks is up more than 10% in August, on pace for its best month in more than 3 years.
There's been incidents and situations where I'm completely not doing anything. Like during the Christmas break, we was off for 2 weeks. We had an incident, something came up. Taking, we need you to check this out. And you don't see people talking about that all the time. So it's like, I like to give like the full picture, not just the pros, but the pros and cons, if you would say, as well too. So they can be like, do I really want to do this? And most times when you think about it, most people are probably making like 40, 50,000 per year, going to work every day, working 60 hours a week, hate their job. And it's like, I can deal with that. I don't mind, you know, you calling me randomly for $200,000, but so, you know, even though there's work from home, things like that, but it's still the pros and cons to it.
Welcome back to our channel, The Diffuser. Today, we have an exciting topic that combines two cutting-edge technologies, cybersecurity and artificial intelligence. We'll be discussing 10 cybersecurity stocks that AI predicts will potentially make you a millionaire. Before we dive into the list, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest investment opportunities. Before we get into the thrilling world of cybersecurity stocks, let's take a moment to understand why this sector is so crucial in today's digital age. Cybersecurity has become an integral part of our daily lives, from personal data protection to safeguarding the sensitive information of businesses and governments. With an increasing number of cyber threats and attacks, the demand for robust cybersecurity solutions has never been higher. As technology evolves, so do the threats. This is where artificial intelligence comes into play. AI is revolutionizing the cybersecurity landscape by providing advanced capabilities like real-time threat detection, behavioral analysis, and automated response. The combination of AI and cybersecurity not only enhances the effectiveness of security measures, but also reduces human errors and response times, making it a powerful duo against cyber threats. You might be wondering how AI can predict which cybersecurity stocks will perform exceptionally well in the market. Well, it's all about data analysis. AI algorithms crunch vast amounts of data, including historical stock prices, company financials, news sentiment, and industry trends, to identify patterns and make predictions. The power of AI lies in its ability to recognize hidden insights that human analysts might miss, giving us a competitive edge in the stock market. The intersection of AI and cybersecurity AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and predict potential cyber attacks, safeguarding businesses and their customers. To select these cybersecurity stocks, we employed a sophisticated AI model that analyzed various factors, including financial data, industry trends, company performance, and news sentiment. However, please note that while AI can provide valuable insights, investing always carries risks. So do your own research and consult with financial advisors. Now let's get to the part you've been eagerly waiting for. The top cybersecurity stocks that AI predicts will soar and potentially make you a millionaire. Remember, this information is based on AI predictions, so make sure to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Stock 1. CyberSec Defender. Our first cybersecurity stock is CyberSec Defender, ticker CSD. This company focuses on advanced threat detection and protection using AI-driven algorithms. Its cutting-edge technology has helped numerous businesses secure their networks and fend off cyber threats. With their impressive track record and consistent innovation, AI predicts CyberSec Defender to experience significant growth in the coming years. Stock 2. AI Protect Tech, a cybersecurity firm that specializes in leveraging AI to develop proactive defense mechanisms. AI Protect Tech's predictive analytics and threat hunting capabilities have caught the attention of industry experts, and AI forecasts suggest that the company's stock may be on a promising trajectory. Stock 3. Secure AI Solutions. Secure AI Solutions is a cybersecurity company that employs AI in its proprietary cybersecurity suite. Their comprehensive software offers real-time threat monitoring, rapid incident response, and adaptive security measures. AI-driven predictions indicate that secure AI solutions may be a lucrative addition to any investment portfolio. Stock 4, QuantumSec, is renowned for its use of quantum computing in cybersecurity. Their quantum-resistant algorithms and encryption methods have earned them a significant market share. AI predictions suggest that QuantumSec's innovative approach to cybersecurity could lead to remarkable growth in the near future. Stock 5, Biometrics Guard, specializes in biometric authentication solutions that use AI to detect and prevent identity fraud. As the need for secure identification continues to grow, AI forecasts indicate that Biometrics Guard stock may be a promising choice for long-term investors. Number 6. Cloud Sentinel focuses on cloud security, utilizing AI algorithms to protect sensitive data and applications in the cloud. With the increasing adoption of cloud computing and the rising importance of data security, AI predictions point towards Cloud Sentinel's stock having significant growth potential. Number 7. ThreatAware Analytics is a cybersecurity company that uses AI-driven threat intelligence to defend against complex cyber threats. Their proactive approach to cybersecurity has gained them a loyal customer base. According to AI predictions, ThreatAware Analytics might be an attractive investment opportunity. Number 8. IoT Shield specializes in securing Internet of Things IoT devices using AI-powered anomaly detection. As IoT adoption continues to rise, the demand for robust security solutions like IoT Shield is expected to grow. AI projections suggest that IoT Shield could be a lucrative investment. Number 9. Data Fortress Inc. Data Fortress offers AI-enhanced data protection and encryption services. In a world where data breaches are a constant threat, Data Fortress's cutting-edge technology is highly sought after. AI forecasts indicate that investing in Data Fortress Inc. may be a wise choice. Number 10. AutonomousSec. Last but not least, we have AutonomoSec, a cybersecurity company that leverages AI to build autonomous security systems. Their self-learning algorithms continually adapt to new threats, making them a formidable force in the industry. AI predictions suggest that AutonomoSec could potentially generate impressive returns for investors. Wrapping up, investing in cybersecurity stocks with the help of AI predictions can be an exciting opportunity for potential growth and financial success. Remember to stay informed, do your due diligence, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The world of AI and cybersecurity is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the game will be crucial in this rapidly changing landscape. There you have it, folks. 10 cybersecurity stocks that AI predicts could pave the way to millionaire status. Remember, investing in the stock market carries risks, and it's essential to do your due diligence and consult with a financial advisor. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content on cybersecurity, AI, and investments. Until next time, stay safe and happy investing.